see the cone on your side? Down, drive, passenger. Yep, just like that. Down a little more, there you go. Yep, now go driver. Yep, stay driver. All right, come passenger now. Oh, fuck! Slid into that cone. Yeah. All right, hard, just front dig over. I thought the rear was gonna suck and stick up there. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Yep. Come forward a little more and then do that again. Just this way. Right from there. Try that. Come on, baby, turn. You're gonna have to take it back up. Front dig back up. You can. Okay. Yeah, there is, but you're good. I can't believe we got that fucking cone. God fucking damn it. Yeah. Stay up high, just like you are. No, right there. Okay. 3 feet. I need to see what your rear is gonna do. Keep going. You got the rear. You got the cone on that side. You got room on this side. Nice and just straight through like that. Yeah, you're good. Go wide and then up. Okay. 7 minutes. Front dig. Yeah. Front dig down a little bit. Front dig. All right, straighten out all 4. Passenger, passenger. Yep, straight forward. Just like that. I want your rear, make sure your rear drops down. Beautiful. Hold on, let me get the other side. Right on, let me see. Okay, yeah, you got plenty. Wanted to make sure. Yeah, you got plenty. All right, hold on, stop for a minute. Okay, now come forward. We want to stay high up here with your driver. Keep your rear up here too. Yep. I know. You're good. Just like that. Okay. Just like that. Yep, go driver. Not too hard. That's good right there. Yep. Good. Hold on. Drive. Good through. Drive out. You're out. God damn it. I can't believe how far that fucking kicked on that first cone.
Yeah, dang. Just went.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So we had the one cone.
Yep.
We had the one reverse right over here.
Yep.
We got progression on the first, but the bonus didn't count because you hit the cone, correct?
No, still hit the. It's still the bone.
Progression.
Yeah, it's
It's
progression.
progression, but not bonus.
Yeah, but not bonus.
So
Yeah,
you got
correct.
progression,
Yep.
and then you got progression on the rest of the gates,
And
this
then
last bonus.
Yep.
Okay?
Cool.
Yep.
Thank you very much, sir. I can't believe how far that kicked on that first one.
Yeah. Well, how far over you had to go.
What's that?
How far over it put you.
Yeah. I can't believe it kicked the rear end. Like that bounced almost 2 feet. Right? Yeah. Yeah. I think.
I need a Sharpie so I can write in my buggy with everything.
I think. Still way too much air in there.
Are you on? Really?
I think that rear end, you bounced almost 2 feet.
That's what he was saying. Think it was that hard?
Yeah. It did not stick.
Bash plug you would have done. Bash plug that would have been nothing like this.
I'm dumbfounded how far that moved.
Already laid over the side?
Top off
Well, yeah, but
from,
this year.
from the roll in Washington.
Yeah, that was last year though. What's this from right here?
Nationals.
Yeah, because we hit
When I rolled off into the trees.
Yeah. I think, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta mark both bonus games.
Yeah, we still mark both bonuses.
Yeah.
Yeah, so,
You just don't get progression
Right.
for that one.
yeah, because of that cone.
Mhm.
Yeah, so that should still say 2 bonuses, right?
I think. I don't
Yeah,
know.
we should mark both bonuses.
You just don't get
the
progression for it.
Hey, Josh, if you hit the bonus cone but you get progression through the gate, you don't get the bonus, you only get progression, or do you get the bonus?
No, you get the bonus and you get a gate. Or you get the bonus and a cone.
Right. Okay.
And even if you still get the bonuses, right?
It's a cone and a bump.
It's a cone and a...
Cone
Yeah,
and a
but you got a
bonus.
right
But
bonus
yes, you
for
get the
both.
bonus
Yeah.
and the cone.
Yeah.
As long as
That's
you get
it.
progression
Yeah.
through the bonus.
Yes. All right. Cool. Make sure we're all on the same page.
okay.
Yeah, because that it gets me every time too.
Yeah.
And now it's like, yeah, it's a pain in the ass.
So that would be
Did it say you were
Just it.
negative 30, negative 20, negative 19.
So you hit a cone,
So we hit the bonus cone.
so that washes out, and then you have one back up.
Yep.
Yeah, so you got negative 19.
That's the same thing Veronica did, wasn't it? Or no, she beat me by a point.